I die, I go to heaven. Kiri, God, my please have my phone. God, can I please have my phone?
Yeah, please. There's no TikTok in heaven, by the way.
There's no TikTok. Kiri, God, may I please have my phone?
Please.
Just my phone. For Leona, even any spirit.
Please.
Kiri, swap.
Guys, don't die. There's no TikTok in heaven. You can't die. Why are you dying?
Show me. If I die now, I'll say, God. Why? What today?
What is so?
Yo! No! Whoa!
Fans are now convinced that there might actually be something going on between Sima and Ghost Hlubi. And this comes after Sima posted a TikTok video that appeared to be filmed at Ghost Hlubi's house, making fans believe she was spending time there. But that's not all. She later uploaded another TikTok with Seipati, and eye-eagled fans quickly pointed out that she seemed to be wearing Ghost Hlubi's jacket. That small detail was enough to send social media into detective mode, with many people convinced there's more happening behind the scenes. Now, I don't know if she did it on purpose because she knew people would notice, or if it was completely unintentional. Either way, fans are definitely talking. What's making people even more curious is that Sima is now comfortable spending time at Ghost Hlubi's house, even if she's there to visit Seipati. Some fans believe this could mean she's no longer in the relationship she was reportedly in a few months ago, arguing that her current boyfriend probably wouldn't be comfortable with that situation. Of course, it's all speculation for now, and neither Sima nor Ghost Hlubi has confirmed that they're back together. But judging by the reactions online, fans are keeping a very close eye on every move they make.